Today, we'll look closely at the ESTP personality type in the MBTI and analyze their conscious internal mechanisms. First function, extroverted sensing, SE. ESTPs are ambitious, active individuals who see the world as a battleground of wills, constantly seeking power and status. They act spontaneously to secure their goals and are quick to respond to emergencies. ESTPs are determined to win and use the available resources to gain any advantage. They perceive challenges as opportunities for growth and possess an innate physical presence that attracts attention. They enjoy competition, respect those who challenge or resist them, and look down on those who are lazy or weak-minded. This approach stems from a worldview that views competition as the ultimate manifestation of life, rewarding those who strive for their objectives with happiness. Second function, introverted thinking, TI. ESTPs possess a strong command of logical systems, using laws, hierarchies, and ultimatums to maintain control and bring order to chaos. They exploit system loopholes to succeed where others failed. ESTPs use society's structures to consolidate power and ensure their success. They use logic to make their arguments and procedures more persuasive, but if they perceive weakness in leadership, they may act in contempt and rebel against it. They challenge and aim to conquer the systems and hierarchies that might benefit their goals, eventually tailoring them to handle any threat to their position and lifestyles. Third function, extroverted feeling, FE. ESTPs are ambitious individuals who frequently flaunt their wealth or power and seek recognition for their accomplishments. They enjoy expressing their thoughts and being the center of attention, and they are very proud of their accomplishments. However, because they are insensitive to the feelings of others, they may say inappropriate or offensive things, making them appear unpleasant or malicious. In order to avoid exposing vulnerability, ESTPs avoid displaying pain or signs of weakness in public. Despite seeking group acceptability, ESTPs love testing and creating emotional reactions because mastering emotional responses is a difficult endeavor that they desire to improve on. Fourth function, introverted intuition, NI. ESTPs function spontaneously, seizing current advantages based on their desires or ambitions. They are less accustomed to considering the long-term consequences of their actions, and often they forget that winning a battle today may lead to losing the war in the long run. They are impulsive and take excessive actions without considering the higher purpose or meaning behind their decisions, which can lead to superficial conflicts and accomplishments. Mature ESTPs realize the need to feel their actions contribute to a bigger picture, and they desire a cause to believe in and work towards. They are responsive to those who can visualize a cause and align their actions with it, providing a sense of fulfillment. If you found this video interesting and want to know more about the MBTI and other personality systems, feel free to subscribe and leave a like. I am extremely thankful.